Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here topic geometry. First one we learn here plane figure. Plane figures means what? Shapes drawn on a plane. Called a plane figure. Okay. There is two plane figures, closed up plane figure and open plane figure. Closed up plane figures and open plane figure. Okay. Closed up plane figure means what? The plane figure that start and end at the same point called a closed up plane figure. Okay. And the plane figure that start at one point to end point is other point, you call that open plane figure. Means see here closed up plane figure, triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, decagon, and open plane figure, angle and curves. That is a open plane figure. Here also circle, oval also closed plane figure. Circle, oval also closed plane figure. Okay, which closed plane figure? Triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, decagon. Pentagon means they have 5 lines. Okay. Hexagon means they have 6 lines but plane figure, closed figure. Octagon means 8 vertex, lines. Decagon means 12. All are remembered? And there, first one, triangle. In the triangle means what? 3-sided closed figure. Triangle means what? 3-sided closed figure. Okay. That first one, there are types. There are 3 types. First one, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means the length of each side triangle as a same. You call that one equilateral triangle. 2 centimeter. This one also 2. You call that one 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle because of all sides are same. Second one, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means there are two sides are same. See, this is a 2 centimeter, this one also 2 centimeter, and this one also different 3 centimeter. This one 2 centimeter, this one 2 centimeter, and this one 3 centimeter. Triangle PQR. In this triangle, two sides are same, one side is different. You call that one isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Third one, scalet triangle, means all sides are different. All sides are different. This one how much centimeter? 4.5. 4.5. This one how much centimeter? 2.1. 2.1 centimeter. And this one also 3 centimeter. MNP. Okay. In this triangle, all sides are different. You call that one scaleless triangle. Scaleless triangle. Understand? All of you understand now? How to? When you call the equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scaleless triangle. Okay. Next one, we learn here perimeter. We learn here perimeter. Perimeter means what? Perimeter is a polygon, is the total distance of all sides of the polygon. Total distance of all sides of the polygon. Okay. Perimeter means total distance of all the sides of the polygon. Okay. First one. ABC. Perimeter of triangle is equal to what the formula is there? A plus B plus C. Which is the formula? A plus B plus C. Next one. Next one is there. Rectangle. Rectangle's formula what? This is call you length. What you call this one? Breadth. What is the formula of rectangle? 2L plus 2B, where L for a length, B for a breadth. is equal to 2 common there, L plus B. Got here 2 in the bracket L plus B. Next one, square. Next one what? Square. Yes, yes, yes. P is equal to S plus S plus S plus S means it's equal to 4 S. 4 S. Okay. Call that one 4 S. Understand? Which one formula is there for the triangle? P is equal to A plus B plus C. For the rectangle, 2 in the bracket L plus B. For square, 4 S. Now we learn here some example. First one, L is equal to 9 meter, B is equal to 4 meter. Which formula use here? Rectangles formula we use here. P is equal to 2 multiply by in the bracket L plus B. 2 9 plus 4, 2 multiply by 9 plus 4, 10, 11, 12, 13. 26 meter. 26 meter. B1, S is equal to 4 meter. S is equal to 4 meter. Which formula we use here? Square formula. P is equal to 4 S. 4 multiplied by 4 meter is equal to 16 meter. Perimeter of square is equal to 16 meter. C is equal to 7. P is equal to 15 centimeter. Q is equal to 8 meter and R is equal to 9 centimeter. Which formula use here? P is equal to A plus B plus C. Why? Because of here 3 sides means triangle formula use here. 15 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. How much there? 15 plus 8. 15 plus 8, 23. 23 plus 9. 23 plus 9, 30. 31, 32. 32 meter. 32 meter. Understand? Okay. Now, next one, area. Next one is a area. Now, area means what? Area measure the surface of simple closed region. Area measure the surface of simple closed region. Okay. There is some formula. Area of rectangle is equal to A is equal to L multiplied by B. L means length, B for breadth. B for breadth. Understand how to use the formula? Okay, see in the book. First one, This one areas, how do we learn? First one, standing row count 1 2 3 4 4, and sleeping row count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 fours are 48 square unit. 48 square unit. Understand how to use? See here, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 5s are 25 square unit. 25 square unit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3. 7 3s are 21 square unit. Now this is a easy for, this one is a few. They given you so many, that time how to do? So you use the formula there, area of rectangle L multiply by B. L multiply by B. L multiply by B. How to do area? First one, 1 2 3 example we solve here. Area of first one rectangle, and then we learn square. Okay, rectangle's formula what? L multiply by B. Area of rectangle is equal to L multiply by B. And area of square formula what is there? Square means what? All sides are same. So S multiply by S. S multiply by S. Okay. Now 2 3 example we learn here. A1, L is equal to 7 centimeter and B is equal to 5 centimeter. So area of rectangle is equal to, A is equal to L multiply by B is equal to 7 multiply by 5. 7 5s are 35 centimeter square. Because of centimeter multiply by centimeter, that time you got there square. Centimeter multiply by centimeter multiply by centimeter, that time you got there cube. Understand? B1, L is equal to 9 kilometer and breadth is equal to 5 kilometer. A is equal to L multiply by B is equal to 9 multiply by 5, 45 centimeter square. Next one, area of square formula used here. Okay, S is equal to 9 centimeter. Area of square is equal to S multiply by S. 9 multiply by 9. 9 9s are 81 centimeter square. S is equal to 13 kilometer. So A is equal to S multiply by S. 13 multiply by 13. 13 3s are 39. 3 carry. 13 1s are 13. 14 15 16. 169 kilometer square. Understand? All of you understand how to do? Now circle. Now we learn here circle. This is an important part. All of you know circle, but how to draw? We want here draw the circle 4 centimeter. Okay. First one, take the compass, take the ruler, you adjust their pencil as a same point, then take a 4 centimeter distance and draw here. Draw here and give their point. Give their point. Write their center name. Center name means where you compass pin, where you put, that is your center point. Call you that center point. Give their name center P. You call that one circle center. Now center point to circles one point where the joint, you call that one line radius. Here point P is a center point. Okay. Line segment PC is a, what you call that one? Radius. Now see, two circle point where join, two circle point where join, and it one pass away from the middle point. It one pass away from the middle point, you call that one diameter. Give their name. And this is a double of radius. Right here line segment AB is a diameter. Line segment AB is a diameter. This is a double of a radius. Double of a radius. 2 multiplied by R. R for radius. Understand? This is your formula. And only two circle point where join, you call that one chord. X, Y. Right here line segment XY is a chord. Okay. A diameter is the longest chord. Okay. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle, and two radius is there in the diameter. AP and BP is a two radius is there. Understand? Okay. All of you understand now? Which one call you radius, diameter, chord, center? Okay. Next year also we used this one. This is your syllabus. Okay. Thank you. And regularly behind the table, write 2 times in the notebook. Write the 2 times regularly. Okay, thank you.